Hello everybody, this will be a quick Monday morning Bitcoin and Ethereum update on April the 25th. Right now, last night we did get a large dump down and we're bouncing off the current year value area low. That is a large support, and right now we're just kind of back testing the resistance of the current year point of control. Right now I do expect a little bit of a relief rally right now. Just the current resistances that I'm looking at is just large back tests of old support, really. So again, we came down, broke this major parallel channel, and now we're gonna kind of retest this as resistance, and that's coming at around 39,640. There is also a naked daily point of control acting as confluence, so this could make for a pretty good scalp. If not, we can come up to this 0.5 fib level and this naked daily point of control and just kind of retest that as resistance too. And if not, of course, we do have these single prints right here that will act as resistance. Really, the one I'm looking at is the single print ending, as this is kind of confluence with a golden pocket, and that is coming in at around 41,100 roughly. I'm not really sure if we'll actually pump up that far today. The RSIs on the 1 hour look like they're going to split apart pretty far like this. So that usually means not much momentum to the upside for Bitcoin, really. And looking at the weekly, again, the money flow is getting thicker, and that's not always a good sign. Along with the three-day money flow is getting thicker, so that's not really a good sign either. Going to my higher time frames, we'll look for sort of a support, and really the large supports that I'm looking at is this 786 from the move down of the January lows. That's coming around 36,100 roughly. Then also we do have a kind of a weak support at around 35K, as this is a monthly level and a naked daily point of control, along with a kind of a parallel channel of a large range. If we do end up losing that, I do expect us to break down and come much lower. Just turning on my fib supports, we do have a golden pocket of the March 2020 lows acting as support at around 28,700, along with a 786 and a monthly right on the dollar. And so this is a very strong of support. I do expect us to get a somewhat of a bounce off of this, if anything, really. And really the last hope of support, again, would be around 18K. That's really the last zone of support that I'm really looking at. Moving on to Ethereum. Again, Ethereum got a pretty good bounce. Not really sure what from though, but it doesn't really look like any support so far. There is this parallel channel, so we could come down a little bit lower, but again, just the major resistances is a golden pocket right here that is coming around 3,050. This naked daily point of control doesn't really have much volume, so I don't really see too much of a rejection playing out. But the 786 is getting nice confluence with the naked daily point of control and a fresh daily that I did earlier on in analysis, and a 786, so we're at around 3,100 roughly. If we do break through that, we do have this golden pocket right here at around 3,300. And really, if we do come above that, really at around 3,400, we could see a rejection. But I don't think we're going to pump up too far. Again, with Bitcoin kind of looking kind of weak, I don't really see too much of that playing out. And so I'm going to turn on some more levels here and see what happens when we come down. Again, 2,700 is a strong support for Ethereum. We're getting a current year value area low in that golden pocket. Bitcoin did bounce off the current year value area low, just keeping that in mind. So it could play out for a pretty strong support. If we do end up losing that, we can come down to this 2,460 level, as this is a bottom of the parallel channel from really a long ways away from May of last year, along with it being a 786. And of course, if we do break through that, I do have some major support below us. I'll just move to the daily time frame. Let's just kind of zoom in here, and we do have a golden pocket along with a weekly and a daily level coming at around 1900 roughly. And if we do break below that, we could see 1100 ETH. I don't really see us coming down that far, but this seems a little bit more probable for a support, kind of a last horizon of a major support that could really save us, I guess. So again, that is pretty much it for today. I don't really see us pumping up too far, but I could possibly see a drop end of today or starting tomorrow. So please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Plus, I'll leave a link to a Discord where I post the chart to this of my fresh analysis of this morning, along with other people trading. So feel free to join. Thanks. Bye.